Mycelium whispers to root and bough, a breathless pact beneath the now. The canopy listens, the tendrils bind. Three speak as one, in earth entwined. The frozen tide no longer speaks, the ocean shifts in saline streaks. The air forgets the sea's refrain, and stillness breaks the planet's brain. A spark gives ash, gives soil, gives bloom, each rising from the other's tomb. The cycle burns with kindled grace, a serpent coiled in time and place. A blossom waits with honeyed breath, but hears no wings, and scents no death. Without the hum, no fruit is spun. The silent spring has just begun. The sun leans down, the green unfurls, a page of light in trembling curls. Photosynth verse in chlorophyll tongue, where cause and crown are newly sung. No howl disrupts the grazing mind, no eye restores the tree behind. But call them back, and roots revive. Predators teach the woods to thrive. The moon tugs sea. The sea stirs sand, and far-off birds reshape the land. Each turn unseen, yet all in thread, a tide of steps the future led. The fish are gone, the reefs lie pale. What bleached the bone, what tipped the scale? Trace backward from the empty shoal. Each wound reveals its hidden role. The river's heart becomes the sea, the estuary sings in three. The rain returns through fish and shell, a trinity of rise and swell. The trees were felled, the roots disowned, the soil fled south, the sky unthroned. What once gave breath now drinks in fire, a cradle dried by man's desire. The flower leans to bee and light, each half a wing, each sense a sight. What sun begins the insect seals, a triad bound in petaled wheels. The salmon knows but finds no gate, the dam holds back the rain and fate. Without the breach the stream forgets, no memory in silence nets. A seed finds root and root finds rain. The leaf is born of soil's refrain, each voice completes the other's tone. A green accord forever grown. The tree was sick, the bloom went bare, no buzz adorned the springtime air, and none could fruit what death had sung. A triad cracked, a silence rung. The currents bend where giants call, and migration knows the sounding hall. The ocean charts this braided path, the song, the flow, the aftermath. No river moves, no storm replies. Each absence dims the living ties. When two fall silent, so does three. A tangle lost in entropy. A mushroom crowns the dying wood, a throne of rot, misunderstood. Yet here begins the forest's grace. In death, three forms embrace one place. A spill, a silence, then a reef bereft of fin and scale and leaf. Though two remain, the third is gone. The circle breaks where none belong. Where wind and river carve the stone, the canyon speaks in silent tone. Each pressure plays the other's part, and leaves the shape of beating hearts. No lion stalks the limping herd. No beak returns to rot deferred. The field consumes itself in dread. No witness comes to tend the dead. The chrysalis, the dream, the blade, the worm forgets what wings it made. But shadow turns, and light begins. The fractured self, reborn in skins. No rain, no hum, no root to lift. The promise lost in nature's rift. The parts remain, but not the thread. Where life unbraids, the world plays dead.